Hi you guys. Hi you guys. So welcome back to yet another video. Like I said in the previous video, if you all have not watched that video, then go watch it. I have couple of old content that I will be editing and sharing it. So this is one of those videos where I had been to Surgupa a while ago, like I don't know which month. I've been like couple of times, but not all the time I've vlogged. This video is going to be all about Surgupa, how I spend days in Surgupa whenever I go there. So if you all are not aware about Surgupa, a place called Surgupa, it's how do I say? It's a village in Ballari. So Ballari is a district in Karnataka. You will get to see a lot of new things. So keep on watching. Like I said, it's an old video, so please don't get confused. Whenever I upload an old video, I will let you all know. So this is an old video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog. Today is Friday. Today is Friday, and it's already hitting 12. In another 8 hours, I will be going to Surgupa. I'm always excited to go to Surgupa. Last time I had been there in the month of March. It's already May now. Now, if you know, you know, and if you are living alone in Bangalore, then you know. If you're going or flying somewhere, if you're traveling to some place, then you need everything sorted before you go, and that is what I'm gonna show in this video, what all I do living alone in Bangalore and in home, specifically because though I'm going just for 2 days, but the house need to be clean, after you come back, so that after you come back it's just like clean, tidy and peaceful. No vessels left, no clothes here and there, no packing items here and there, everything clean. Like all the vegetables need to be in fridge or maybe like packed nicely so that they're not rotten after I come back and they don't smell. That is what I'm gonna do today. By the way, I also need to apply some hair mask and then wash my hair as well. Okay, you guys, unfortunately I don't have any ingredient that is required for DIY hair mask at home. Curd is required, banana is required, honey I have, but curd and banana no. What I thought is I have these two okay, the L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner. I bought this a while ago, but shampoo is almost done, and conditioner, since I don't use conditioner, like after a hair wash I usually avoid, but I still have this. So what I'm thinking to do right now is make a DIY mask out of this itself. So I have a bowl and I'm gonna take this conditioner, put little bit of the conditioner. To this I need to add coconut oil and little bit of honey, so let me just go get that.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, it's 3 o'clock like I said, and I'm very very late. Just figured this out. I just did this right now. This thing was there. I wanted something like this, like where I can write on a pad and then it is stuck on the wall so that I get reminded every time I just pass by. And yeah, I am about to shoot one video. I'm going to do like a get ready with me plus chatty video, like storytelling sort of a video. Okay, let me just shoot and finish that part. Okay, you guys, this is the makeup that I did. Not much, a little bit of eyeshadow and lipstick, lip gloss, nothing much. But it's a storytelling YouTube video. One more is this one and this one. I think this I'll do. I might not do this one. I will come back from Surgupa and do it, and then rest is this, which will be done anyways. Hi guys, I'm having food right now. I prepared dosa and some mango fries. This is how it looks. It's raw mango, sort of like pickle, you can say. Hot.
The next day.
ತರ್ಲ 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 ಹಳೆ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಕಬ್ಬಣ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ದಿ ಇವಾಗ ಟವಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಪೇಪರ್
ಇಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲೋಡು ಅಲ್ಲೋಡು ತರ್ಲೆ ತರ್ಲೆ
ಫೋಟೋ ಫೋಟೋ
ಹಿಂಗೇನಾ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನನ್ನ ಗಾಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾವೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾವೆ ಹಾಂ ಬಿಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು
ಬಲೆ ಖುಷಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೀರು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಕಾಣ್ತು ಕಾಣ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲೋಡು ಅಲ್ಲೋಡು ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೋಡು ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ನೋಡು
ವೇಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ
One eternity later.
ಯಪ್ಪ ಫ್ರೈ ಆಯಿತು ಮಸಾಲ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂತಂದ್ರೆ
The next day.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದ ನೀಲ್ದಣ್ಣು ಆ ಗಿಡ ನೋಡಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ ಗಿಡ ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫುಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗುಚ್ಚು ಗುಚ್ಚು ಅವ್ನು ಸಡನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರೋ ಕುಂದಿಸಿ
ಯಾ ಕಿತ್ತು ಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾ
ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದಿವಸದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನು ಗುಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ತಿನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ದನ್ನ. ಇನ್ನು ಮೆತ್ತಗರಿಸಿದ್ನವಳು.